Hi! Welcome to WingSpot. Ladies first, go ahead.
Oh, I'm Jenna Gabriel, tubong Macabebe, born and raised sa Macabebe, dito po. Nag-stay na ako ngayon sa US.
I am Leo Consul, born and raised naman sa Bolinao, Pangasinan, but I'm based in Indonesia now.
So the story began when we traveled in Bagong, Myanmar.
Myanmar.
You know, emote, gano'n. So we were waiting for sa sunset. May temple kasi dun eh. We're waiting over there. Tapos, we're eating mansanitas. Kinuha kami na isang buong plastic, like as we were eating. And then, nag-i-emote-emote ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, I'm supposed to be millionaire na. Something like that. So, may backstory kasi. So, I told him the story. He was quiet the entire time. He was listening and then kumakain lang siya ng mansanitas. And then, to make the story short, pag nagiwalay na kami, I went back to New York, I went back to Jakarta. I guess he was sad. At one point, siguro homesick, di ba? Sabi niya, kapatid, I feel down. Sabi ko, oh no, why? Kasi lagi siya yung nagko-comfort sa akin. So, he told me the story. And then, sabi ko, ako din, like, you know, it's about business. Like, we didn't become successful sa unang business namin. Tapos, one day, he saw me kasi I was selling halo-halo in New York. Halo, that's why we have halo-halo. We call that Pinoy coolers. So it became famous because of the halo-halo, and I ended up traveling in Pampanga din kasi di ba dami nagte-trending na halo-halo dito. So I have to try them kasi gusto ko incorporate. And then he saw me one day na sa story ko sold out. Siyempre, dollars. So, sabi niya, kapatid, why we don't put it in Philippines? Sabi ko, if we put it, I want 10. Ayoko muna ng shop kasi may trauma ako. I want 10. Or if you want, we could do it in Jakarta muna. Ganyan kasi business sa Jakarta and mainit din sa Jakarta. But then, sabi ko, kapatid, if you wanna do my halo-halo, I wanna put my chicken wings. Kasi based sa experience ko in my old business, ang mga tiga Macabebe, they do love our chicken wings and magiging millionaire tayo. Sabi niya, really? Let's go it. That's how it started.
Narinig mo ang word ng milyonaryo. Let's go!
Actually, it's not even about, the millionaire is just a joke, phrases and stuff like that. It's more on, ang saya pag nakikita mo yung taon, ini-enjoy nila yung food mo. The quality and the service, that's what we go for it.
Yeah. No, nag-usap pa kami yan online, like kung anong pangalan ng shop, anong theme, tapos, it wasn't a long process though. Mabilisan kasi gano'n namin. We call it the Consul and Gabriel.
Moves. Kailangan galawan, Gabriel at Consul. So, pag nakaisip kami, we have to do it. Kasi kung iintayin mo pa mamaya, yun lang lagi yung sinasabi sa akin, Jen, if you wanna wait later on, it won't happen.
Yeah.
So, ganun lang ang nangyari. And then, I called some of, dati ko makaka-work dito, na friends. Sabi ko, oh, me and my friends, we're looking forward mag-open ng business. Ate, we got you. The next day, kapatid, may pwesto na daw.
And why WingSpot? Kasi we thought like, we provide ng spot para sa mga wings lover. So, here you go, WingSpot.
Yeah. I do love wings. Like, sa US kasi, they offer unlimited wings din. Sa mga, restaurant din. Me and my family, we love wings. Kaya doon din ako na-in-love.
Hands down, honey spice, extra hot, and garlic parmesan. It's just the flavors, ang sobrang, flavorful na hindi nakakaumay. Meron kasi mga flavors na mabilis kang maumay or masuya kapag kakain ka ng kain, lalo na we have unlimited, right? So kahit ordering ko ng order and I can eat that, I can finish that in one sitting. Oh, you wanna see the plate? Kasi nagdala siya ng samples from here to Indonesia. Niluto namin doon para matikman ko din. Dapat alam ko yung binibenta namin, right? I think, oh my God.
We have 45 pieces that day. Yung buo. Yung wings talaga like buo.
Kita mo yung buto-buto dun sa sa plate ko. Akin lang lahat yun.
Yes, so sabi ko kasi sa kanya, I don't wanna put my name, especially with his status din. Na yes, it might be a small business, but I don't wanna put your name and my name, especially me, na business na hindi mo natitikman. Actually, the first thing na nakatikim yung family niya. So I sabi ko, gawa niyo ng chicken wings yung family yung pinatikim. But I didn't tell them, yan yung business ko back then.
The rationality behind is like, hindi naman kami magsaserve ng mga pagkain na hindi namin kinakain. Dapat paborito at gusto rin namin kinakain namin.
Okay, how about for the coolers? I mean, the refreshers. What do you call it? Halo-halo lang ba?
We call it chill spat, chillers con hielo, minsan consuelo, Rio, con Yellow? Something like that. He just came out with that. But you know, it's more on con yellow na kasi ang daming nagtitrend na ng mga beverages ngayon. Nakakalimutan na nila yung mga authentic na Filipino drinks. That's how I came out with my business sa US. If you don't mind if I mention, it's a Pinoy Coolers. We serve halo-halo sa malamig, buko pandan, sagot gulaman, melon, scramble. We have scramble. We have calamansi juice. We call sa malamig. So it's Pinoy Coolers. That's all of this Pinoy Coolers for in the US.
So
Halo-halo.
So
Our
that's the-
signature.
Yes.
This is her own concoction actually. Lahat from basic. Pati milk combination concoction siyang gumawa.
So at the time of this recording, how much is it?
130.
130.
Which is reasonable for this price and for this size.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty
24
reasonable,
ounce.
right?
And then it's authentic halo-halo. Hindi lang siya yung tatlo yung sahog niya. We have 12
Layers.
layers. And then we have to incorporate na rin yung trending ngayon.
Yeah.
It has to be Instagrammable. Kailangan pag pinicture lang. Appealing siya. And sabi nga niya, kasi nung nag-work ako doon, simple lang siya. Like, basic halo-halo lang talaga siya. Sabi niya, kapatid, it's not appetizing. Wala siyang hint. Wala siyang...
Ako sa visuals eh.
Tapos sabi ko, what? Ang sarap-sarap kaya niyan. Kasi hindi mo man natikman, nasa Jakarta ka. Sabi niya, why don't try yung ube, yung walling niya is ube. So we tried it, and then ang nangyari, nag-layer siya sa from green, red, yellow,
Came
and
up with
purple. It came out so beautiful sa picture. Boom. Mga ibang lahi sa New York, especially New York, always sold out. Everyone in New York, ganun na yung sinasabi sa akin ngayon na, especially like from New Yorker perspective, they don't eat kung masarap, they wanna see.
Lalo sa social media.
Dapat mapawaw sila.
Picture muna before kain.
But us in here in WingSpot, hindi lang sa picture, dapat quality and taste
Masarap.
din. Yun ang goal namin dito. We have 3 pieces, 1 flavor chicken wings with rice for 99 pesos. Yung unlimited natin is 349 pesos. I was about to say dollars. Pesos. Na meron siyang unlimited iced teas and then
Fries.
may unlimited fries siya.
And rice.
And then unlimited wings. Kahit ilang wings pa ang kain. Yes,
Oh.
until they drop. Yesterday, last night, grand opening, we have customer, they give for like 2 hours. Ako na sumuko, sabi ko, anong number yun? Sabi ko, but pag nakikita mo silang nag-e-enjoy, yung buto nila like us, sabi ko, wow, this is what I'm looking for. Like, for me and Leo, it's just like, hindi namin sinasabing milyonaryo na kami, ha? But for us, it's just like, we wanna help other people din at the same time.
Kasi by putting up this business, also, nag-generate kami ng jobs for people, especially sa mga locals eh. We have may mga estudyante kami, college students, nakatulong kami with their tuition fees and stuff like that.
And, yun naman yung pinaka-golden purpose namin.
Come and visit us here at Bagong Plaza, Poblacion, Macabebe Pampanga, and try our masarap at flavorful foods and drinks. Meron tayong wings and of course, our drinks made by my very own partner here. You should try, right?
Yeah, they should try. And then we do offer chicken skin, right? Chicken skin, meron din kaming chicken shot and chicken shop, like mix on thighs, legs, and breast. Like, we have a healthy, yung breast, it can be like a protein. So.
And we have 9 flavors
Flavors.
to choose from. So hindi kayo mabubore sa mga, same flavors
Yeah.
lang. And freshly made every day.
Every day. Yep.
Dakala salamat.
Dakala salamat.